Experts remain divided on whether this is the right time to loosen distancing rules. Within the medical community, there are differing views on when the Omicron wave will peak in South Korea as well. Bae Eun-ji shares with us the analysis.
The South Korean government has said it will announce changes to the social distancing measures on Friday to minimize the damage to the economy and society as a whole. Health authorities are likely to raise the cap for private gatherings to 8 people from the current 6, as well as extend the operating hours for restaurants and cafes by an extra hour to 10 p.m. But one expert says we will need to wait a few more days to see whether or not the curve will begin to flatten, but added he has hopes that the cases will start going down in the near future.
I still have high hopes that the peak will occur sometime today. And from early parts of this weekend on, I'm still hoping to see that the numbers will start to go down in a drastic fashion. But in my current personal point of view, we still have to wait and observe for another couple days or so to really discern whether or not the curve will change its course.
Another expert says now is not the time to ease measures, as the Omicron wave is still in the acceleration phase.
We just started our 4th dose booster campaign in the vulnerable groups. I don't want to make the same mistake as we did when we initially launched our Living with COVID scheme back in November of 2021, when we did not wait until our seniors received their 3rd dose booster before we opened up society.
She said that for most countries, it took about 4 to 5 weeks for the Omicron wave to peak. So because Korea's wave started in mid-January, it may be the end of February or the beginning of March before the country peak is reached. Another medical expert also agreed that easing the rules will cause even more damage.
I don't understand. We're in a very dangerous situation, and essential societal functions could become paralyzed if we loosen the social distancing rules right now.
However, another expert says that if the government does decide to ease social distancing measures, the same needs to be done for the vaccine pass.
Right now, social distancing measures or vaccine passes are not really helping in preventing the spread of infections. Because Omicron is so transmissible, whether we ease measures or ease vaccine pass rules, it's not going to really change people moving around.
She noted that it is more important for the government to focus on critically ill patients. Bae Eun-ji, Arirang News.